Well, I rode my bike without training wheels. It was a lot bigger. It wasn't mine. Danielle held it on to the back, and then I told her to let go, and then I could do it all by myself.
Did you go fast?
Yes, real fast, but I made her really tired, and she had to run to catch up with me.
Yeah. Which Danielle?
Danielle, that's Haylee's mom.
Where's she at right now?
She's right behind the camera. And action. Oh, I'm sorry. That's other people filming. No, you just made that up. No, I didn't. Yeah, you did. No, I didn't. Yeah, you did. No, I didn't. I heard you. No, I didn't. Yeah, you did. Stop sitting. I'm not. So what?
Harley.
No, I wasn't. I was.
Haley looks like she's going to give Harley a knuckle sandwich.
And I wasn't.